Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jamaican-style pork. First, clean and cut your pork into roughly 1-inch pieces. Next, prepare a vibrant marinade using a mix of traditional Jamaican spices like allspice, thyme, and a touch of Scotch bonnet pepper for that authentic kick. Ensure the pork is thoroughly coated, then let it marinate for at least 2 hours, or even better, overnight in the refrigerator. This step is crucial for infusing maximum flavor. Once your pork is well marinated, it's time to sear it. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Add the pork in batches, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. Sear each piece until it develops a beautiful golden brown crust on all sides. This browning step is essential for building a deep, rich flavor base for your dish. After searing, return all the pork to the pot. Pour in enough water or chicken broth to almost cover the meat. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and let it cook slowly for about 1.5 to 2 hours. This long, slow simmer is the secret to achieving incredibly tender, fall-apart pork that's bursting with flavor. In the final 15 minutes of cooking, remove the lid to allow the sauce to thicken slightly. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed, adding a pinch more salt or a dash of pepper if desired. Your authentic Jamaican-style pork is now ready to enjoy. It pairs wonderfully with traditional rice and peas or a side of steamed callaloo for a complete and satisfying meal. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.